takes me to paradise. Yeah, sure. Hey, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you make me feel like I've been look out of heaven for too long, for too long. 'Cause you make me feel like I've been look out of heaven for too long, for too long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, can I just stay here, spend the rest of my day here? Whoa, hey, yeah. Can I just stay here, spend the rest of my day here? 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get to heaven for too long, for too long. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get to heaven for too long, for too long. Oh yeah. Ooh. Nababalik Daylan. Hey. Ooh. Ayun, mag-end na. Mga 9 na, ayun.
Nawala ko.
Welcome back.
Wow, wonder ko, nawala ko galit.
Welcome
May galit ka na si Dad. Hi, Dad. Thank you
Welcome
for
back,
for the
bro. Ayun.
2 minutes left lang.
Minutes left na lang yun.
Okay. Tapos sino kayo promote? Kaya na yung ba na Promote.
Banda ay. Promote din ako yung YouTube channel na ako. Ayun. Kapoy na mag-Tagalog, men. Okay, YouTube channel ko. Type ko muna.
Dad, type mo yun.
Ayun.
Gab?
Skadush.
Ito, Gab.
Ayun. Skadush. Parang sa Kung Fu Panda. Skadush. Ayun. Ayun, we have 1 minute left.
1 minute!
Lang, Jud. 1 minute left lang, Jud. Hapit na mag-9.
Nabot lagi si...
Salamat.
Nabot talaga kita si Dad. Nabot talaga si Dad kanina. Nipuli siya na...
Kuan, yung police siya paghawa ni mo.
Wala signal.
Please follow no. Ayun.
Ay, yan Dad. Dad, bawit mo yung ugma. Magsabot mo yung ugma.
Yes, bawat. Yes, po. Maglista na ta sa ato ang mga kanta, no, Daylan.
Ganda ng ugma. Sige. At atong basahon ang gikuha ni Dad.
Okay.
Welcome to the stream. Please follow the host and co-host. Yes, guys, please follow me, Dylan Gray, and also follow our host for tonight, Gabby2299. And you are welcome to join our open mic sessions from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. daily. Follow us on Marpoli Studios. Come and join Tawag ng Tanghalan, Idol Philippines 2, I Can See Your Voice, Singaling, PM for the details. Looking for Centenados for I Can See Your Voice, also PM personal message for details. And for more info, please add.
Ayun, nawala na naman yung signal.
Signal mo, best. Kapit lang.
Okay.
Now, na 9 p.m. open mic campaign na ako. Visit kayo. Bye. Thank you so much, Dad. Ayun. Thank you so much,
Dad.
Dad.
Thank you. Thank you po, Daylan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ayun, wait. Baka may pabagsak si Dad. Baka mabagsak si Dad. Mabagsak si Dad. Mabagsak si Dad.
Wow. Trouble. Wow.
Nakakabudol pa kay Pops. Ayun, nawala naman ang signal ni Nailan. Ayun, nawala na talaga. Ayun. Thank you po sa lahat dyan. Thank you sa nanonood ngayon. And abangan yung live namin pagkabukas. Live namin bukas, mga 6. Start namin mga 5:40 or 5:50 p.m. Ayun. Start kami ng 5:40 or 5:50 p.m. bukas. And kanta-kanta ulit tayo ngayon. Ayan, 1K na. Wow, thank you, Pops. Thank you talaga, Pops, sa umabot ng 1K tayo. Ayun, mag-end na ba ako, Pops? Okay na ba yun?
No, I was going to my theater.
Mag-end na. Okay, bye-bye, guys. I love you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, love you.
Katong sa top class, boy.